Have you ever wondered why some businesses effortlessly captivate their audience through marketing? The key lies in harnessing the subtle power of marketing psychology principles. Marketing psychology principles are essentially the understanding of how our mind works in relation to buying behavior. They're the invisible strings that brands subtly pull to nudge us into choosing, buying, or endorsing a product or service. Why are these principles crucial for businesses? Well, they enable marketers to tap into subconscious triggers, influencing purchasing decisions and fostering customer loyalty. In this video, we'll explore 7 key principles of marketing psychology. These are reciprocity, social proof, scarcity, authority, consistency, anchoring, and framing. Each of these principles holds the potential to significantly enhance your marketing strategy and boost your business growth. So, whether you're a business executive or a budding entrepreneur, these principles can provide valuable insights into the art of persuasive marketing. Stay tuned as we go into each principle in detail. Firstly, we have reciprocity. This is a principle steeped in our very human nature. It's that feeling of obligation you get when someone does something nice for you, and you feel the need to return the favor. This principle is a powerful tool in marketing. Imagine a business giving out free samples. It's not just about letting you taste their product. It's about creating that feeling of indebtedness. You've received something for nothing, and now, subconsciously, you want to repay that favor. Maybe you buy their product, or perhaps you recommend it to a friend. Either way, that business has just gained from giving something away. Or consider a company that offers valuable advice or insights for free through a blog or webinar. You benefit from their expertise, and in turn, you're more likely to use their services in the future. Give a little, get a lot. That's the power of reciprocity. Next, we explore the principle of social proof. This principle hinges on the idea that people tend to follow the actions of others, especially when they're uncertain. It's like when you see a busy restaurant versus an empty one. Which one would you feel more inclined to dine at? That's right, the busy one. This is social proof in action. Now imagine how businesses can utilize this principle. A company might display testimonials from satisfied customers, or showcase their large number of social media followers. They might even share the number of units sold of a particular product. These are all examples of social proof that can influence potential customers to believe that if others are buying or endorsing a product, it must be good. The power of social proof is immense. It's a psychological shortcut that taps into our natural desire to fit in and follow the crowd. So remember, people trust the crowd. Harness that trust with social proof. Moving on, we look at scarcity and authority. The principle of scarcity suggests that when people perceive something as scarce or limited in availability, they're more likely to act. It's that classic limited time offer or only a few left in stock scenario. Businesses often use this principle to instigate a sense of urgency, prompting customers to act swiftly to avoid missing out. Conversely, authority is all about trust. People tend to trust and comply with those seen as credible or knowledgeable in a particular field. This is why businesses often use expert endorsements or testimonials to boost their product's credibility. Imagine a limited edition smartphone endorsed by a renowned tech guru. The scarcity principle triggers the "I must get it before it's gone" response, while the authority principle assures you, if the expert approves, it must be good. Scarcity drives action, authority drives trust. Combine these principles for a potent marketing mix. Up next are consistency and anchoring. The principle of consistency plays a pivotal role in customer loyalty. When customers see a brand consistently meeting their needs, they feel more comfortable and confident in their decision to stick around. Think of it as a rhythm or pattern that your brand dances to, ensuring a predictable and satisfying experience for your customers. Moving on to anchoring, this principle is all about first impressions. The first piece of information a customer receives about your product or service sets the tone for their decision-making process. For instance, if the initial price they see is high, any subsequent prices, even if they're also high, will seem relatively lower. It's a nifty trick that can influence the perceived value of your offerings. Now imagine combining consistency and anchoring in your marketing strategy. The results can be quite powerful. Consistency builds loyalty, anchoring influences decision-making. Use these principles to guide your customers' actions. Finally, we discuss the principle of framing. This is the art of presenting information in a way that influences how it is perceived and interpreted. It's not about changing the facts, but about showcasing them in a light that aligns with your narrative. Think about a painting. The same piece of art can evoke different feelings based on its frame. In business marketing, framing can be the difference between a product being seen as a luxury or a necessity. For example, if a company emphasizes the durability and long lifespan of a product, it can be framed as an investment, not an expense. Likewise, a service can be framed as a solution to a problem, not merely a purchase. Framing is also used in pricing strategies. A price can be framed as a bargain by showing the original price slashed or highlighting the savings. Shape perceptions with the power of framing. It's all about how you present your message. To wrap up, let's revisit the 7 principles of marketing psychology. We've talked about reciprocity, the feeling of needing to return a favor. It's a powerful tool that can build strong customer relationships. Then we delved into social proof, where people's decisions are influenced by the actions of others. This principle can be used to boost your business reputation and trust. We explored the scarcity principle, which can trigger urgency and drive sales, and the importance of authority, which enhances credibility. We also discussed consistency, a principle that can solidify brand loyalty, and anchoring, which can guide customers' decision-making process. Finally, we touched on framing, the art of presenting information in a way that influences people's perception. Each of these principles plays a crucial role in your marketing, and their strategic application can significantly enhance your business's marketing efforts. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of marketing psychology. Remember, the mind is the battlefield in the world of marketing. Use these principles wisely to win the war. Until next time.